Corkscrew includes built-in foil cutter and bottle opener. Measures 5 in length. Two-step construction makes pulling out a cork easy. Screw is sharp to easily cut through cork. Top rack dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. This 5-inch waders corkscrew with a non-stick coating is a classic corkscrew design that has a foil cutter blade, a two-stage cork lifter and bottle opener. Open a wine bottle by twisting in the screw, placing the opener's shortest step on the top of the bottle lip and pivoting up the handle. After raising the cork partially, lower the handle to engage the longest opener step on the bottle lip, then pivot on the handle to remove the cork from the bottle. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect for travel. I had a corkscrew I have traveled with before, in my checked luggage. Unfortunately, it was confiscated due to the serrated foil cutter. This corkscrew made it through TSA with no trouble.